Is your 2009-2013 Jaguar XF key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video will guide you through a simple DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The process is straightforward and should only take about 5 to 10 minutes. The 2009-2013 Jaguar XF key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type is widely available at electronics stores. The CR2032 is a 3-volt lithium battery with a 20mm diameter and 3.2mm thickness. These specifications ensure proper fit and power for the key fob. For optimal performance and reliability, purchase quality brands like Duracell or Panasonic. These ensure consistent voltage and longer lifespan. Avoid cheaper alternatives like CR2025, which has a different thickness. Using the wrong battery can cause voltage mismatches and damage the key fob. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. Using a plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratching the fob. A small Phillips head screwdriver may be needed if the battery compartment is screwed shut, depending on your fob's design. First, locate the small notch or seam on the key fob casing. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation, positive side up. Use the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the original orientation as marked on the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Ensure there are no gaps or loose parts. If there are screws, tighten them gently, being careful not to over-tighten and crack the plastic. To test the new battery, press the lock button on your key fob. The LED indicator should light up brightly, and your car should respond by locking. Next, test the unlock button and panic button in the same way. Each should trigger the car's response and show a bright LED light. If the key fob doesn't work properly, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct orientation and make sure the fob is fully reassembled. Proper disposal of the old CR2032 battery is crucial for environmental protection. Take it to an auto parts store or recycling center, where many offer free battery recycling programs. For a more environmentally friendly option, consider rechargeable CR2032 batteries. These can be reused multiple times, reducing waste, but they may not be as reliable in key fobs due to power requirements. Remember that key fob batteries contain lithium, so proper disposal is essential to prevent harm to the environment. Improper disposal can contribute to pollution and waste.